Hi guys, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. Andito kami ngayon sa Liverpool at mamamasyal kami ng onte kasi mag-check out na rin kami ng 11 o'clock. So it's time to wrap up. Kailangan na namin magligpit ng mga gamit namin kasi kailangan na namin mag-check out. Kailangan maayos pa rin na iiwanan itong aming Airbnb stay dito. Ang pangalan ng ng place ay You Stay. You Stay, okay? So ang ganda talaga nito. Wala talaga akong masabi. Tara, tingnan ninyo. Sa ngayon guys, ayan ang itsura, magulo pa. So mamaya bago kami amis, dapat maayos na yan. Ayun si There is Mateo and ayun ang aming mga gamit. Ayan, nakakalat pa. Yun. Ayan. So, ayan, miyak si Bella. So, mamaya ayos na yan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo pag ayos na. Kasi magre-ready na kami. Hi, Bella! Why are you crying? O ba, maayos na yung kwarto ni Johnny, oh. Maayos na yung kwarto ni Johnny. Very good na. Very good sa lahat si Johnny dahil siya ang pinakamaayos na kwarto. Ikaw ang very good. Ikaw ang pinakamaayos na kwarto. So, ayan, for the meantime, ayan pa, makalat pa kami. Mamaya, maayos na yan. O, malinis lahat yung mga nandyan. Okay, ayan, ayan. Magulo pa. Pero mamaya, maayos na yan. Pag alis namin, yung video call. Tumae ka na. Ay, Diyos ko, kabiri ka. Ayan, so far, ayan. O, ayan, mataas ng araw. Anong oras na ba? 8 o'clock na.
Oras na, parang
Oh, ayan guys, may salamin pa dito. Ganda. Oh, ayan. Sino yan? Ako yan. Ayun po si Don Mateo. At hindi pa nakaayos.
Kasi ang lambot ng ang dulas ng buhok.
Oh, ganda ng hair ni Nikki oh. Itim na itim tapos madulas. Masustansya ang kanyang buhok. Ganda naman ni Nikki, girl. Why are you so beautiful and cute? Am I cute? Lagi siya ako tirapan. Am I cute? Okay guys, today is June 9. Is today June 9 or June 8? You're so very good, Nikki. You know the date. Oh, come on, we will go and make pasyal. Okay, let's use the lift. Nikki will guide us. Do you want to use the stair or the lift?
The lift. Because I pressed the button.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, I did not use the stairs. We're using the lift.
Okay.
Nagalit si Ate Nikki.
I'm bringing this.
Yeah, good. Can you say hi? Hi to my vlog. Can you say hi, vlog? Hi, vlog. Okay, come on, let's go inside. Hintayin natin silang bagal nila. We're gonna make pasyal. Where are we going, Nikki?
To the...
Where? Mateo. Bakit nagdala?
I don't know.
Why did you bring that cell phone? You don't need to bring the cell phone.
Tata, can I use your phone?
Only Mama Bless can use the phone because she's vlogging.
I'm a blogger, but not a teacher.
Ground floor.
Mateo. Here we come. Here we are. There we are. Look, it's so beautiful. Look at the chandelier. It's so beautiful.
That is my favorite color.
What? What is your favorite color? This one, red? Is red?
Pink.
Pink. This is your favorite color. What about you, Mateo? What is your favorite color? Purple. Me? Can you ask me what is my favorite color?
Favorite color.
My favorite color is green. What about
I
you?
know.
You know? You ask your dad. Nikki, ask your dad what is his favorite color. You ask him. Ask him. Oh, ask him.
Tata, what's your favorite color?
White.
You're so good. Look at this. Oh, smoke bent. What is that? 40 times, 20 times, 2095. Champions. Ah, champion pala tong ano na to.
OMG, this is
OMG.
Saan eh?
Ah, football, 20 times champion. Ang tagal naman nung mag-asawa na yun. Nagde-date pa yan. Tell me, what do you want me to do?
Tell me who you are.
Can
And I
someone
tell you who
open
you
the door?
Yeah, I'm gonna open the door. 1, 2, 3, go! How can I open?
Dito sa likod yung ano mo na to? Ito man. Tingnan mo na yung pula.
Ah, ang galing naman pala ni Nikki. Oh,
Yung isa lang pala binubuksan.
mali.
Hindi, okay lang. Kasi yun yung ano. So,
Okay. Sige. Okay, game. Practice. Close it again. Practice. Okay.
Ay, ganun man kamay.
Okay guys, ganito pala pagbukas ng gate dito. Ayan, o. Yan, pag green na. Ayan. And then I'm gonna open this. Oh, like this. Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay guys, paglabas mo dito, ganito makikita mo. Ayan, o. Ganda. So here, that is the view.
Galing.
We make gala today. Today is June 9. We're going to anywhere here in Liverpool. We are here in Liverpool. There is Bjorn, there is Everett, and there is Johnny, and there is Mateo. Saan tayo banda? We are here now walking. Start the ball rolling. Timer starts now. So I'm here at Liverpool. Exploring another place. Ayan sila. Yung mga kasama ko. Si Bjorn, si Johnny, si Everett, si Mateo, at si Nikki. There is my family, my grandson, and my granddaughter, my son and my daughter, and my son-in-law. They're there. We're gonna make gala. Naiwan si Bella at saka si Lex. Ang saya-saya. May building, ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung anong building yan. It's Riva building. They are my family. Bjorn, Everett, Nikki, and Mateo. Hello. I'm so amazed to those buildings here in Liverpool. For now, I'm here at Hello, Regent Street. There is Beatles News there. And for now, we're heading to Beatles Museum. Yan pala yung may wall of Fame. Dito makikita ninyo yung mga tourist at saka yung tourist guide. Ni-explain nila yung mga history ng mga Beatles kasi matatanda yung mga tourist, makikita ninyo during 60s pa kasi ang sobrang kasikatan ng Beatles, kaya karamihan sa kanila ay mga matatanda, mga fans na matatanda lang ang minsan nakaka-relate sa Beatles. Yung mga bagong kabataan ngayon siguro hindi na nila kilala kung sino at kung gaano kasikat ang Beatles before. Historic Liverpool Beatles Museum here.
I'm here at the Beatles Museum.
Hard Day's Night. At eto na nga guys, papasok na kami sa loob ng museum. Dito muna kami sa bilihan ng souvenir. Nag-ikot-ikot, tiningnan kung anong mga mabibili pero wala kaming nabili pa so far. George Harrison here in the house. The Beatles, true story, okay? We are here. This one is... Sino nga ito? There's the Beatles. Here's Paul McCartney. This one is... Sino nga yun? Nakalimutan ko naman. Gustar. Yung mga batang 60s dyan, alam na ninyo kung sino ang mga pangalan ng mga miyembro ng Beatles. Kayo na bahalang mag-identify. More on Beatles, more about Beatles on my next vlog. Please watch out. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.